don't waste any time. Don't be hesitant and just do it, because I know this program works. And I know it got me to where I was, where it's been a year without school, from EMT to, hey, I passed my test in 70 questions. Like, go for it. You could do it. Like, do not hesitate and don't waste any time. Before I found out about Evan Paramedic Coach Program, I was, let's say, a year. I graduated my EMT course, and then I took the test, and then I did not pass. I was below passing for 2 of the categories and 3 average, or I don't know what it is right there, but I was below passing. And so I really got so discouraged. I did not want to try again. I did not want to do it. I was so afraid of failing that I just completely did not want to try. That was where I'm like, hey, I just need to sit down, get to it, and go for it. So and with Evan Paramedic's program, I did it with, so I studied for about like a month with Evan Paramedic, not even a month probably. And then I watched all his videos. I watched them twice. One, I watched all the videos, and then the second time I started taking notes. And then maybe a couple days after that, I finished watching them. I took my NREMT and passed with 70 questions. The way I found you was I saw a friend that we went to school together, and I saw that she was an EMT, and I was letting her know, I'm like, hey, what did you do to pass your NREMT? She told me about you. She said that she gave such a good review about you, telling about her career, and then she told me about the program and how your videos were, and with just watching your videos and doing 70 questions, she passed on her second try just the same. Honestly, I was super hesitant about buying your program because I already bought a program right before you, and I didn't have full-time access like you have, and I could go back and rewatch these videos and actually make sure that I understand. With the other program, I only had 7 days to watch 7 videos, and these videos were an hour long. So hesitant because I'm like, is there a program out there that is really gonna help me pass my NREMT? And I definitely, with your program, I got my results, and it definitely paid off for sure. You just like, hey, this is the lungs, here's this is how this works. You made it so it's so simple. Lots of videos. I'm like, okay, he has a lot of information. I would click through each one. So you had specific things for specific, so you had specifics for EMT only, you had specifics for advanced EMT, and then paramedic. And then also you had it organized to where you had like your EKG stuff in like a certain section, or before you went to school. So what you do as an instructor, I really just appreciate the time that you have put into this program, and actually the availability that you put out there for your students, and being able to reach you at any time. Don't waste any time. Don't be hesitant and just do it, because I know this program works. And I know it got me to where I was, where it's been a year without school, from EMT to, hey, I passed my test in 70 questions. Like, go for it. You could do it. Like, do not hesitate and don't waste any time.